Today, we'll be learning how to set up a percent equation to solve percent problems. You've learned how to set up a proportion, so this is just another way to solve. Make sure you have your guided notes, and remember, you can pause this video at any time. Percent equations. A percent equation is an equivalent form of a percent proportion. In a percent equation, the percent is written as a decimal. Write down the following information. When you see the word is, you'll relate that to an equal sign. Of, multiplication, and what will be a variable or an unknown. Example 1. What is 22% of 95? Using of, is, and what, do you think you could set up an equation? What is our unknown? We'll be using n. Is our equal to. 22% we can write as a decimal. Of, multiplication, 95. Now we have a simple one-step equation. 22 hundredths times 95. N equals 20.9. So 22% of 95 is 20.9. Let's try this problem. 15 is what percent of 75? Try to set up an equation on your own. How'd you do? 15 is what percent, we don't know, of 75. Again, we have a simple one-step equation. 15 is equal to n times 75. We want to find out what n is, so let's isolate the variable. Do you remember how to do that? Let's divide both sides by 75. 75 divided by 75 is 1, and 1 times n is n, and 15 divided by 75 is 2/10. So 15 is 20% of 75. Let's try one more together. 90 is 20% of what number? Pause the video and try to set up an equation. Let's see how you did. 90 is equal to 20% or 2/10 of multiplied by what number? N, our variable. 90 is equal to 2/10 times n, a one-step equation. Let's solve for n. To isolate our variable, we'll need to divide both sides by 2/10. 2/10 are canceled out. 90 divided by 2/10 is 450. So 90 is 20% of 450. Try some of these on your own. Pause the video, turn your paper over, and give these problems a try. How'd you do? Check your answers. Circle the ones that you made a mistake on, and try to solve them and fix that on your own. We'll talk about it tomorrow in class.